Ayan, ang susunod ko pong awiting ito ay inihahandog ko po sa papang ko. Paborito po niya kasi itong kinakanta nung nasa Pilipinas ako. Ayan, I miss you all. When I feel like the world's gone mad and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears. On our own, we've been so far. We've sworn not to move, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I've stared at these walls before. They made me blue. All alone in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you, and count on you to be there. No questions in the air, no asking why or where, no looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. Now, oh now, I've traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years gone by, I'm beginning to see